Presenting a pre-owned 2017 BMW 540i. Unleash power, embrace luxury. The 2017 BMW 540i awaits. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 81,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2017 BMW 540im, the ultimate driving machine. With a 3.0L turbo i6 engine pumping out 335 horses and 332 feet-pounds of torque, this car is power and luxury wrapped in dark graphite metallic. Inside, the ivory white leather seats scream sophistication, while the panoramic sunroof and heated front seats add comfort and style. With 20 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, it's efficient too. Plus, it's in excellent condition with a clean Carfax report. Come down and take it for a spin. Your tushy will thank you. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.